Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, School Morning Assembly Anchoring Script. Someone said that there was never a night or a problem that could defeat sunrise or hope. Losing hope is worse than losing a battle. If we lose one battle, we may win another, but if we lose hope once, then we lose everything in our life. And with these motivational lines, let's our soul expand. Let's our heart reach out to God. Let's thanks to God and get ready for prayer. So now join your hands, everybody. Close your eyes and start prayer. Now open your eyes. And it's time to promote a sense of responsibility among us and reminds us of our duties towards our community and country. Let's connect ourselves to a shared history, culture, and values. With this, I invite on stage Kanak from class 7 for pledge. And thank you very much, Kanak. Good and inspiring thoughts can provide motivation, encouragement, and a shift in perspective. Let's get inspiration for navigating life's challenges and pursuing personal growth. With this, I invite on stage Tanish from class 8 to share today's thought with us. Good morning, everyone. My name is Tanish. Today's thought is go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you are imagining. Thank you. Have a good day. And thank you very much, Tanish. Every day, several important events and announcements occur that we all need to be aware of. Let's have a quick overview of current events of what's happening in our communities, nationally and globally. I invite on stage Rishabh from class 7 to share today's news headlines with us. And thank you very much, Rishabh, for sharing today's news headlines. Dear friends, daily GK quiz helps in understanding the world around us and improve social interactions. It's time to enhance learning, critical thinking, and problem solving skills. Let us check and enhance our knowledge with today's GK quiz, and I invite on stage Nitin from class 7 for GK quiz. Thank you very much, Nitin, for testing and enhancing our knowledge. National Anthem serves as a reminder of our duty towards our nation. It instills patriotism in our hearts and encourages us to work towards the betterment of our country. As we are at the end of today's morning assembly, now everybody get ready for National Anthem. And after National Anthem, today's assembly is over. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Have a great day ahead.